Hello and welcome back to Curtis Marketing. In this video, we're going to be talking about the number one branding mistake that's keeping your business invisible and how to fix it. If your business feels stuck, like no one's noticing you, no matter how much you post, there's a good chance you're making this branding mistake. The truth is, it's not your content, it's not the algorithm, it's something deeper. In this video, I'll break down the number one branding mistake that's keeping your business invisible. And most importantly, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it so that you can start attracting your dream clients. Let's jump in.
Just have two questions. Why are you like this? And why you gotta be so
extra, read all about it. Queen coming back with a brand new style.
The number one branding mistake is you're blending in. The biggest mistake I see entrepreneurs make is they are forgettable. Your colors, the captions, and the content, they all look like everyone else's. You're posting, but you're not positioning yourself as someone who is memorable. Here's the hard truth. If your audience cannot recognize your content in 2 seconds, you've already lost them. So the fix for this is to, number one, develop a signature brand aesthetic. Think about Taylor Swift. You instantly recognize her eras? I don't know, that doesn't sound right, but eras, whether it's her bold red lipstick phase or her dreamy folklore aesthetics, that's intentional and it's powerful. Your brand should feel just as distinct. So, how do you fix this? Step number one, you have to define your visual identity. Your visual style is your brand's first impression. So, you, number one, have to choose 2 to 3 signature colors that are going to represent your vibe. Number two, pick 1 to 2 consistent fonts that are going to show up in your post, your emails, your website. And then number three, use consistent imagery or presets that are going to create a recognizable aesthetic. Imagine someone is scrolling on Instagram. Could they instantly say, oh, that's Curtis Marketing Brand without seeing your name? If not, it's time to tighten up those visuals. Step number two to fix this is to develop a signature voice. Your brand's personality should come through your captions, your emails, your videos. Are you being bold and empowering? Are you warm and relatable? Are you quirky and fun? You have to define that voice. Number two, use catchphrases or slang or a signature phrase that's going to feel uniquely to you. And then number three, don't just inform. Tell stories, share emotions, connect with the audience. For example, instead of saying, check out my new offer, try something like, your next big breakthrough, it's waiting inside this offer, and I can't wait to see you win. Your words should make people feel something. That's what's going to turn casual followers into loyal fans. And then step number three to fixing this mistake is to show up consistently. Branding isn't just about looking good. It's about showing up reliably. And how do you do that? Number one, you have to post regularly so your audience knows what to expect from your brand. Number two, use consistent visual elements like your colors, your logos, your templates. They should be in every post that you make. And then number three, reinforce your message. Repeat your values, repeat your mission, and repeat your offers often. Consistency is what's going to create that trust, and that trust is going to lead to sales. So, now that you know the number one mistake that's keeping your brand invisible, it's time to fix it. I've created a brand identity blueprint to help you build a clear, powerful visual and messaging strategy that's going to make your business impossible to ignore. Click on the link in the description below to get that blueprint for free right now. And tell me in the comments what's one change that you're going to make today to stand out in your industry. Don't forget to don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell so that you don't miss any more marketing strategies that are going to help you to build a strong standout brand. Until the next video, see you next one. Bye bye.